So, the exact kung sino itong woman, we don't know. But she is described as the great harlot. What do you mean by harlot? Ha? A whore. What is a whore? Prostitute. No? Comparing her to a... Sino ba yung tinatawag mong whore? Maggalit ka. Ito ba yung ano? Ano yun? That Tales of Two Wives na ba yun? Hindi na legal wife, no? Ha? Sino yung tinatawag mo ng whore? Whore. Sino? Yes. Yung hindi dapat siya akong legal eh. No? Kaya yung kalaguyo mo, yung ang whore. Basa dyan, no? So, the woman is called the great harlot. No? And then in verse 5, chapter 17, he is called what? Okay. There is a mystery. No? We know that this is a mystery. A mystery is something that is in secret, not yet revealed. But we know the title of this woman is Babylon the Great. And then may caption pa siya. The mother
of great
harlots and the abomination of the earth. So anong klaseng tao to? Tao ba siya? Next week, in our study of lesson 6, 5, and 6, we are going to study about Babylon. So this is only a preview. We're going to study Babylon. Sino ba ang Babylon of Revelation 17? And who is the Babylon of Revelation 18? So you do your researches, para we'll have a nice discussion. So we know that there is a woman in Revelation 17 that is called a harlot. And this harlot is what? Sitting, verse 3, on a scarlet beast. Okay. So, because today our lesson is about the beast, we are interested in the beast. Unahin natin yung beast na to. Okay. So, the scarlet beast. Sino tong scarlet beast? Can you continue reading? This scarlet beast, verse 3, is full of blasphemous name. When you are doing blasphemy, sino kaaway mo? Sika. And this beast has 7 heads and 10 horns. Oh, sino siya? Kamukha ba niya yung beast ng Daniel? Ng Revelation?
Yes.
Chapter 13. Siya yun. And sabi natin, who is the beast? Sino tong beast na to? He is the
devil and the Antichrist.
Okay? So this woman, this harlot, is sitting on the beast. Kaupo siya sa beast. Ano ginagawa ng beast? Partner sila. They are working hand in hand to lead the teka, may question dito. You're talking about the woman?
Yes.
The woman is sitting on the beast. The beast is the one who derived his power from the dragon.
That's the first beast.
Yes, this is the first beast of Revelation chapter 13.
That's the one.
And this is the Antichrist.
That's the one coming out.
And this is the one coming out from the sea. Okay? So don't get confused, So this is the same beast that is using the woman. Okay? So we're going to talk about more about the woman next week, not now. But this beast, at first they are friends. The woman and the beast are friends. But in the end, what happened? The beast
will kill the woman.
The woman. So this is a mystery, and on November 5, we're going to talk about the different issues. No? How are we going to solve this mystery? It has something to do with Babylon the Great. So So Babylon represents all things that is against God. We said that it originates from the Tower of Babel. What is the goal of the people in building the Tower of
To
Babel?
reach heaven.
To reach
Heaven,
God.
God.
Yun ang goal nila. But God thwarted their plans and changed all their languages. Because they have hidden motives. They want to reach God and be God. So we're going to talk about the woman next week. So all we know is that this beast is going to use the woman for whatever that is to be able to rule the world. But in the end, after this beast is known and people are worshiping him, he killed the woman. Okay? So up to that. So do you have any question? Medyo magulo pa, no? Yes? Yun ang tanong. Woman ba talaga siya? Babae ba?
Hindi.
It's a symbol. Hindi siya totoong tao na babae.
Kasi alluring ito na.
Symbol lang siya. But this woman has something to do with being a harlot, leading the people to idolatry. So in the commentary, madami yan kung who they are. But we don't really know because it is a mystery. One that is not yet revealed. In our video, I suggest you watch the video. Kasi in our video, I don't want to repeat everything kay Arthur says. Kasi maganda yung pagkakasabi niya. And we will be enlightened to all of this. Our role as a student is just to enumerate them all. Our teacher, Kay Arthur, will be the one to sum it up. The video today is very nice. So, wala pa yung ating merienda. It's still early. So, we can go to CR first and fix the video. Don't go, you have to watch the video. Kasi very, very nice. CR muna kayo.